In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table to display information in your Shopify store. Displaying information in a clear and structured way can significantly improve the shopping experience for your customers, making it easier for them to find what they need. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this. First, you'll want to start by accessing your Shopify admin panel, and from there, navigate to the Apps section. This is where you'll find a wide range of applications that can enhance the functionality of your store. In the search bar, type in eComposer, or a similar app that allows for easy editing and customization of your store's theme. These apps are incredibly useful for adding extra features like tables, which aren't natively supported in a very elegant way by Shopify's default tools. Once you've located eComposer or your chosen app, go ahead and click on the Install button. Be prepared, as sometimes this installation process will require a second confirmation due to its access permissions or Shopify's security protocols. Simply click Install again when prompted. It's a simple process but crucial for ensuring the app is added correctly. After installation, you will need to set up the app's settings. Don't worry if this sounds technical. These settings are mostly about allowing the app to function properly with your store. Just follow the prompts that appear on your screen and typically, these prompts will guide you through permissions, access approvals, and sometimes choosing basic configurations that align with your store's needs. Next, we move to engage with the app's core functionalities. In your Shopify admin's theme editor, you'll want to locate a section called Elements. This is where all the customization happens, and it's your portal to adding engaging features to your store. Once inside, use the search function to find the table element. This powerful tool will enable you to present your products, information, or data dynamically and appealingly. When you've found the table element, it's time to incorporate it into your store. Click, hold, and drag this element over to your theme. Your cursor should turn into a move symbol indicating where you can drop it within your theme's layout. Make sure to place it where it is most needed, somewhere that enhances the browsing experience without overcrowding your pages. This is a concise overview, but remember to explore further features and configurations within the eComposer app to truly make your tables work for you. Tweak the layout, try different data arrangements, and adapt styles to fit your brand's identity. And there you have it. You've successfully created a table to highlight essential information in your Shopify store. Taking the time to display information clearly can make all the difference in ensuring your customers have a smooth and pleasant shopping experience. Thank you for following along.